Hi there, my name is Richard McMunn from the interview training company passmyinterview.com, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to pass a mental health practitioner interview. So if you are applying to become either a mental health practitioner, a mental health worker, mental health nurse or assistant, please make sure you stay tuned and watch this presentation fully from start to finish, because this is what I'm going to cover to help you. I am going to give you a number of mental health worker or practitioner interview questions and tips for answering them correctly. I will give you unique answers to tough mental health job interview questions. I will give you some brilliant tips on how you can be the standout candidate during your mental health job interview. And I will also tell you about further resources you can get access to, including these slides, to help you succeed at your interview. Now, just very quickly, before I get into the training, a very warm welcome to this mental health practitioner interview presentation. My name is Richard McMunn. That is me there in the centre of the screen. I am a former fire officer of 17 years, and since then, I've been helping people like you to pass your interviews. And I always do that by giving you top scoring answers you could not find anywhere else. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking that red button below the video, and then you won't miss out on any of the videos I upload. Please also connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video, and it's always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. And finally, please do hit the like button. If you like the video, that tells me you enjoy the content, and I will therefore create more for you. Thank you very much. The first question that I would like you to prepare for is, tell me about yourself and why you want to work in mental health. Now, working in mental health services takes skill, resilience, and a commitment to high standards and professionalism. Concentrate on the following two areas in your answer: the skills and experience you have, and how you will always work towards the values of the healthcare organisation you are applying to join. So here is my suggested answer to that first interview question. Tell me about yourself and why you want to work in mental health. I am very passionate about mental health and the impact it can have not just on a person's well-being and future, but on society as a whole. Over the years, I have continually strived to improve whilst maintaining competence and professionalism in a profession I very much enjoy. When I am at work, I am 100% committed to the values of the healthcare organisation I am working for. I am professional, a solid team worker, somebody who understands the importance of maintaining professional client relationships and confidentiality, and somebody who can be relied upon to achieve consistent results within the mental health care team I am a part of. I want to work in mental health simply because it's an environment that is closely aligned to my own skills, my attributes, and the experience I have, and it's also somewhere I can have a significant positive impact on people's well-being and their future lives. Being happy in my work and making a positive difference is important. And this is a sector I can see myself working in for a long period of time. Now, I like that answer because it is confident, it is in-depth, and you are talking about the skills and qualities you have and why you are passionate about working in mental health. Now, you can either pause the video if you want to and take a note of the questions and answers as we progress together, or if you want to wait, I will tell you where you can download my full set of mental health practitioner interview questions and top scoring answers, including the ones we are working through today. The next question: why do you want to work for our organisation as a mental health worker? Now, this question is guaranteed to feature early on during your mental health job interview. And in your answer, show you intend staying working there for a long period of time, and be sure to reference high standards and compliance. Here is my suggested answer. I am looking for long-term employment within mental health, and the standards you set are ones I can closely relate to. Your organisation has a long history of setting high standards in patient care, and everything you do is geared towards continuous improvement and innovation. Mental health is vital in today's society, but the work carried out by organisations needs to comply with all relevant legislation and guidance, whilst striving to maintain a set of values that define compassion and care. I can see myself working here for a long period of time alongside other like-minded professionals who want to provide a first-class service. That's an excellent answer. And it shows that you have looked into their organization and you are referencing the values, which is really important. Now, don't go anywhere because I still have more questions to work through with you. But when you're ready, if you want to click that link in the top right-hand corner of the video, it will take you through to my website, passmyinterview.com, where you can download my full set of mental health practitioner interview questions and top scoring answers, including the ones we are working through together today. The next question: what are the most important values in mental health care, and which, in your opinion, is the most important? Now, my advice is to align the values to the ones that are specific to the healthcare organisation you are applying to join. Now, obviously, the values are all as important as each other. However, in my opinion, putting patients first is the one I believe should be integral to everything you do. Here's my suggested answer. I believe the most important values are care, compassion, competence, communication, courage, and commitment. Encompassed around these important values should be a desire to put the patient first, and you must care about their progress and about the mental health profession in general. Putting the patient first is, in my opinion, the most important value. Being compassionate for people's situations and circumstances enables you to utilise patience and understanding whilst people are in your care. Communication must be concise, clear, commensurate of the situation you are dealing with, and accurate. You need courage to deal with sometimes difficult situations and adapt to the changes within mental health and healthcare in general. Finally, a commitment to the mission of the mental health sector and a commitment to your own professional development is a must if you are to continue to excel within your work as a mental health worker or practitioner. So that's a great answer, because you are not just talking about the values within mental health work, but you are also explaining why each one of them is relevant to your role. So that's a great answer. The next question: what skills and qualities are needed to work in mental health? Now, the only way you can answer this mental health care job interview question accurately is to make sure you have read the job description and the person's specification. So here's a great answer to help you. To be effective as a mental health worker, you need an abundance of skills and qualities in order to maintain competence. These include being a strong listener and communicator, being able to set healthy professional client boundaries, having a set of strong values, and building up client rapport that enables you to achieve your goals. You must have empathy, compassion, and understanding, but also be confident and resilient and be capable of adapting to a variety of different situations whilst keeping a clear focus on your objectives. Finally, you must maintain confidentiality, follow strict guidelines and procedures, and maintain accurate records on a consistent basis. So that answer shows that you fully understand your responsibilities within mental health work and you know the exact skills and qualities that are needed. The next question: what does confidentiality mean to you? Now, confidentiality is an essential part of effective mental health care. Therefore, within your answer to this common interview question, show you understand how it fits into the role of a mental health practitioner. Here's my suggested answer. Confidentiality is an essential part of work within not just mental health, but healthcare in general. It centres on privacy and respect for a patient's or client's wishes, and it is an integral part of the professional relationship. Confidentiality means I would not disclose information about a patient or a client to other people unless they give me consent to do so or where it is fundamentally necessary. Examples of sharing information where consent is not given could include where there is a risk of serious harm to either myself or other people, there is the danger of serious crime, the patient is mentally incapable of making effective decisions, or the information is shared under implied consent. Now, of course, if I am successful, the first thing I will do is familiarise myself with all policies and procedures, including the rules regarding confidentiality. So that's another strong answer to that mental health work interview question. What does confidentiality mean to you? So the next thing to do is please do click that link in the top right hand corner of the video and go through to my website, passmyinterview.com, where you can download my full set of mental health practitioner interview questions and top scoring answers, including the ones we have worked through together today. Please also check out that website because there are some really important tips on there to help you be successful at your interview. Thank you for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching and have a brilliant day.